Hey guys, it's Caleb with Stain and Seal Experts. I want to talk to you today about job prep. It's probably the single most important step of any stain and seal project. And I'll just show you what we're doing here today on this project. We've got trees and shrubs everywhere. So we've masked this off. It goes all the way around the back there through the gate. This concrete will be masked with water. And because we use oil-based stains, and stain doesn't stick to anything that's wet. And then on this house here in the deck, of course, we've wrapped the entirety of it in plastic, tucked down in between all the cracks and crevices. Our little box there has been masked off. All the patio furniture goes right in the middle of the job, and it's wrapped up so it's safe. The kids' play sets and all that. And that big board over there, that again is going to be used as a shield to protect all of this area that we're spraying today. And those blankets will be covered over each bush as we get around that area. Prep is the most important part of a job, especially on these white hardy plank houses with landscaping and concrete and things like that. So if you want us to do a project for you like this, just go to stainandsealexperts.com and we'll help you out with it. Thanks.